Let's download our vectors and run them. We download our translated vectors and we see them displayed once again. Then we go to the toolbar and click the Run button one time. This executes all of the downloaded vectors. The status bar in the lower right corner of our window indicates Passed. Now we'll go to the sidebar and click the Analysis icon so we can look at the results of our test. The Analysis window looks very much like the Vectors window, except our output pins are green instead of blue. That's because they passed. This is the actual data coming out of the device. Let's see what happens when we induce a failure. Going back to the Vectors window, let's put our cursor at this pin and change the expected low to a high. We know that actually a low comes out of the device, so this should cause a failure. Now we'll go up to the top and we'll click the Run button one more time. Paying attention to the status bar, we see that indeed the software has detected a failure. Let's go back to the Analysis window. In Analysis, we now see a red L, meaning failed. This is the actual data that came out of the device. And the software is telling us it's wrong. The vector address is also red because sometimes the data may be off screen. Now we can edit right here in Analysis and fix this, or we can use another tool. With the Analysis window open, we can pull down the Analysis drawer and then select the Static Pin Mask tool. Let's just put an X on the TC pin so that no failures will cause the test results to indicate failed. We click Run again, and all pins pass. It still shows us the data in the pin, but it will not cause the status bar to report failed. Analysis results can also be viewed using Vector Graph. Here in this Logic Analyzer environment, you can see at Vector 9 the failure appears in red on the TC pin. You'll find that the Symphony software has many more capabilities within the Vectors and the Analysis window, such as programmed vector flow for loops and jumps, special ways of data logging, and single stepping.